So I've been using Moomoo for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Moomoo. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Moomoo. One of Moomoo's biggest strengths is its commission-free trading for US stocks, ETFs, and options. It also offers low-cost international stock trading, though fees do apply for markets like Hong Kong. Additionally, the platform is designed for active traders and offers advanced features like free Level 2 data, a customizable charting interface, and in-depth stock screeners. Plus, the desktop and mobile apps are both easy to use, offering a seamless experience whether you're at your desk or on the go. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, Moomoo doesn't offer retirement accounts, which could be a deal breaker for long-term investors looking for IRAs or other tax-advantaged accounts. Additionally, while Moomoo's customer support is decent, it's only available during business hours with no 24/7 live chat or phone support. This could be frustrating if you run into issues outside of those hours. For beginner traders, the platform might feel overwhelming. It's packed with tools and data, which can be great for experienced users, but intimidating for those just starting out. So, if you're completely new to investing, something simpler like Robinhood might be a better fit. Overall, Moomoo is a solid and legitimate platform, especially for intermediate and active traders. Its commission-free model and advanced features make it stand out. However, the lack of retirement accounts and around-the-clock support may be a drawback for some users. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.